You're watching Project 380 and this is Back to Basics. In this video, we're going to be removing the wiper arms and the scuttle panel. And to do this, you're going to want a flat bladed panel tool, a 12mm socket on a ratchet, a sharp pick, a Phillips screwdriver, and possibly a battery terminal removal tool, or what people commonly call a window wiper tool. Right at the very end of the wiper arms, here and here, you've got two little rubber caps. Using our flat panel tool, we're going to get in between that rubber and the wiper arm, and lift that cap off. And that is going to reveal the nut that is holding the wiper arm onto the mechanism. So we're going to take our 12mm socket and ratchet on the nut, hold the wiper arm while you do this. That nut is the only thing holding the wiper arm onto the mechanism, apart from a little bit of friction. But these can be really hard to get off. What I like to do is get the wiper arm right here and push down towards the windscreen. And that has freed it off the mechanism. So we can put a little bit of pressure downwards and pull that off. But sometimes these can be really corroded on that spline and you just can't get them off by hand. That is where this tool comes in. Most commonly sold as a battery terminal removal tool, but 99% of mechanics use this as a window wiper removal tool. You may also see this version. The smaller version works by these forks going underneath the arm. Well, it appears this one doesn't fit an MX5, so we're going to have to use the big version. This is very similar to a gear puller. Open it up, carefully slide it over the wiper arm, and screw it down until it pops. Release the arms and remove the wiper arm. Now with the wiper arms out of the way, we can see these little plastic circles here. The two end ones are oval. There are 7 of these in total, and underneath there are some screws. So we need to get those caps out. They are quite tight in there, and these are really hard to do without damaging anything. So all I do is get a very sharp pick in the side, try not to damage anything, and gently prise it out. As you can see, there's 2 little tabs, and these go vertical in the scuttle panel, and sometimes these just break. So just take your time and be careful. Just another 6 to do. So underneath those caps are 7 Phillips screws. The 5 in the centre are slightly smaller and the 2 on the outside are slightly bigger. And for some reason, these like to rust. So when you're undoing these, make sure you're putting a fair bit of pressure on the screw towards the windscreen, but be careful of the windscreen. But be careful you don't slip, as you could damage the scuttle panel or the windscreen. Don't lose the 2 outermost screws, as they are a special looking screw with a shoulder on it, which helps locate the scuttle panel. Now we're ready to remove that scuttle panel, but watch out when you pull this off, as you can catch the scuttle panel on the arches, and they like to break right here. Ask me how I know. So take great care in removing this, and try not to damage this nice little weather strip right here. So that is how to remove your wiper arms and scuttle panel from your Mark 1, Mark 2 and 2.5. Let me know if this video helped you in the comments down below. As per usual, like, comment, share and subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next one.